Hi, it's Alan here from Reilly Real Estate. Welcome to Reilly's Real Talk for this Friday, the 18th of August, where we give you an update on what's been happening in our local property market across Toowoomba. Recent reports from a couple of property data and analysis companies, PropTrack and CoreLogic RP Data, have come out recently and shown that, well, according to PropTrack, in the past 12 months, the 12 months to July of this year, our region is one of the fastest growing in terms of prices, with over 8% growth in prices in the past 12 months. And there's only been 4 regions in the country that have had more price growth than our Toowoomba region in that same period, 3 of those being in South Australia and 1 in Western Australia. So certainly a standout performer on the East Coast, our marketplace. In addition to this, our marketplace is also the fastest selling regional market in the country. According to CoreLogic RP Data, the average time on market for houses in Toowoomba is 26 days, while the average time for units is just 22 days, both of those being the fastest time to sell in a regional market across the country. And that's according to CoreLogic's regional housing update report that they release every quarter, and that ranks 25 regional markets across the country. So it just shows that our marketplace certainly has been a standout market in the past 12 months, and we've definitely seen that happening on the ground with continued strong levels of inquiry, really good sales results, great results across the past 12 months for a number of all of our clients, hopefully, but certainly for a number of standout results there. And we feel that there's a number of factors that are really contributing to that. One is that continued demand. As I said, there's inquiry coming in all the time, be it from local people looking to buy, whether they're upsizing, downsizing, or maybe even just trying to enter the market, and also people looking to move to our area and invest in our area. So we've got that perfect storm of inquiry coming from all different angles right now, and there's a continued low supply of homes on the market. In fact, our local property market, according to SQM research, is still at historic lows in terms of the number of properties for sale. And that's a trend that began a couple of years ago, really, when the market started to pick up in both speed and demand, and has continued on. So not only a lot of people wanting to get into our marketplace, it would seem that a lot of people are wanting to stay and not leave. And why would you? It's a great place to live here in Toowoomba. Right now, in terms of that supply and the number of properties for sale around the area, when we take away those that are already marked as under contract off the major property portals, there are 372 properties for sale across Toowoomba, with over 60 properties coming to the market in the past 7 days. This Saturday, we see 128 properties open for inspection, so a good selection of properties out there for people to go and have a look at. But as we said, overall, supply does remain at historic lows. And so all of that creates an ideal opportunity for people looking to sell. Good numbers of buyers in the market, not a lot of competition from an historic point of view in terms of other properties for sale. So that does create great selling conditions, but also it's not all bad news for buyers out there. It does make it sound like it's pretty tough, and I'm sure in some cases it is difficult to get into the market. But last year, if we have a look at the number of properties that were on the market, there was a 10% increase in the number of properties on the market during spring of 2022. So we saw a good jump through September, October and November, and early signs throughout August are that we're going to see that jump again. So for buyers, while yes, you may still have to act quickly, there should be some really good opportunities for you to get into the market in spring, during spring 2023. Well, there's Reilly's Real Talk for this Friday. We keep it short and sweet for you, a quick update on what's happening in the market. If we can be of service, you need any help property-wise with anything here in the Toowoomba area, we'd love to help. Please feel free to get in touch, and thanks for watching. We'll see you next week.